Hello children, hope finds you all in the best of your health and safety. In the previous video, we have learned about the meaning of the verbs. A verb is an action word like swing, snuggle, drive, skate or play. And we have also learned about the types of verbs. There are two types of verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs. We have learnt that in transitive verbs, there is a direct object in the sentence which answers the question what. And intransitive verb doesn't have any direct object in the sentence. So today we are going to learn about the forms of verb. There are three forms of verb: present form, which is also called the first form of the verb, past form, which is called the second form of the verb, and past participle form, which is called the third form of the verb. Now let's learn about each form of the verb one by one. Present form of verb, which is called V1 or first form of the verb. This helps to tell what is happening now. Remember, now. At present, what is happening? In this form of the verb, we either add an S or an ES to the main verb. Like, she reads a book. Read is my verb and I have added S to it. Right? Sit, sits. And this happens when your subject is a singular. I hope this must be clear to you all. Now, second form of the verb is the past form, that is V2. We use this form of verb to talk about things that happened in the past, the things which have gone yesterday. The children visited the zoo last week. We studied present tense yesterday. Jerry dried his clothes in the sun. So here everywhere we are talking about something which has already happened in the past. I hope this must be clear to you. Now let's learn about the past participle form of the verb, which is the third form of the verb V3. Past participle is a form of verb that describes an action that has already happened in the past. That has already happened somewhere in the past. For example, the children have visited the zoo last week. You're not talking about just yesterday. You're talking about the last week. So the action had already happened in the past. We had studied present tense yesterday. Jerry has dried his clothes in the sun. You can see here the auxiliary verb is being used with them, that is has, have or had. I hope all the three forms of the verb must be clear to you all. Now let's look at few verbs of the verb in all the three forms. When simple past and participle form of the verb are same: walk, walked, walked; sleep, slept, slept; learn, learnt, learnt; say, said, said; play, played, played. Here the past and the past participle form of the verb are same. Let's move ahead and see few more examples, which are the irregular verbs. That means none of the verb is going to be same. Like go, went, gone; choose, chose, chosen; see, saw, seen; take, took, taken; forget, forgot, forgotten. And now, when the simple past and the past participle form of the verb are different: eat, ate, eaten; drink, drank, drunk; sing, sang, sung; break, broke, broken; write, wrote, written. Here you can observe that all the three forms of the verb are little bit related to each other, but they are different in sense, right? So children, I hope all the three forms of the verb must be clear to you all. So your home assignment is to learn these three forms of the verb and refer the document which has been uploaded for you. Thank you.